Okay, so I just did a soft mount on it. Fitment is actually really good. It can get tweaked a little bit. Nothing's really in place though. No hood gap at all. That's fire. Fitter on the headlight, not bad as well. Side profile, probably the toughest in my opinion. Don't know if I'm going to get a lip for the front or just slam the front more. This is actually pretty tough. Super good update from the 08, that's a fact. Not bad, not bad. Okay, so the bumper fits good. We're gonna drop that off to paint on Monday. Hopefully by Friday we'll be able to pick it up. We are 20 minutes out from our alignment appointment. We're gonna sprint the car off real quick, get our alignment. We got the Nintendo Switch with us. Everybody's talking so hard online. Hey, send the friend code, bro. Send the friend code. Any character, you can get to work. Crease, you already know what the fuck it is. Anybody else? Buddy, all day. So we're gonna rinse the car off. We got the wood. I got a fucking splinter. Hurt like a bitch. Spray the car off. We've done it a million times. I'm just gonna do it on my own. You guys don't have to come. Okay, so we are back from the alignment spot. We are currently running -2 in the front, -6 in the rear. We had 3 degrees of tow, killed that so my tires will last longer. We are going to put a new banner on because the other one was fucked up from winter. Put the bumper away. We're going to send that to paint on Monday, and then we have a couple nice juicy announcements and we'll finish. Okay, so news. June 4th, 2022, hosted by PCS. Me and the rest of LLG, not all unfortunately, will be at the XPO Center, Monroeville in Pittsburgh. Here's the information. We will be there with the squad. We will have a booth, a big booth, maybe the best booth. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cars of ours. We're going to be there for the whole weekend. Rage with us. We are going to have a fuck ton of festivities. I'm bringing the Switch. Anybody wants to smoke, hey, slide up. We have new merch dropping next month. 2 weeks from now, I get like my half sleeve. It's going to be a big LLG piece. It's also going to coincide with the merch that's coming out right now. -6 in the rear, -2 in the front. Nismo bumpers going into paint. We're going to be looking for some bride seats for this bitch. And a couple other things. Got to get this thing show ready so we can rebuild Godzilla. Again, I just want to recap. So sorry for everybody that missed last Sunday's video. Someone like got into my bank account and they literally tapped it all. I deadass have like $1.10 in that bitch. For like another week, the shit's getting disputed. So as soon as that's done, more parts, we'll have a vid next Sunday. Anyways, I pinky swear. Guys, thank you so much for watching like always. The McDonald's ice water is hit. Now see you guys the next vid. Peace out.